Filming the Enigma, bits of the Enigma photo shoot. So Neil, tell me about your experience in Egypt. I've noticed that you're very cool under pressure. How does that work?
Things like that. There's no point blowing your fuse about it. You just got to take it as it comes, and then you eventually get results. It might not be the same result as you actually planned, but you'll get there in the end.
Makeup Okay, this is Maisa, fashion director.
طب الميك اب الاول ولا
الميك اب الاول؟ اوكي يعني هنعمل فوتو شوت. الانترفيو بتاعنا مش هنعمله النهارده عشان في already too much going on. اوكي ممكن نعمله اي وقت تاني. بس فهنعمل فوتو شوت للمجله وسي ان ان هيصورونا بنعمل الفوتو شوت. عايزين يقعدوا معاكي to a small interview. برضه it's for the program inside the Middle East.
اوكي بس ممكن
ما لازم هم مش هيتأخروا يعني. احنا بس يا دوبك we'll be quick يعني we'll try to be quick. I think this is beautiful.
اوكي اوكي
خلاص انا شكلهم ما اسفه. It's very tiny, huh? I think they're going to be too big. لازم
لا it's tiny. ده 36 38.
لا 36 اوكي.
لا
اوكي برضه.
خلاص
بس
التانيين يمكن اوكي خلاص
شكرا جزيلا.
Okay, let's let her change. Everybody out.
I prefer to stay myself. يعني please.
It's part of color for the cover.
You can find something else. But this one is for me is awful.
It's nice with your hair color. يعني it's black. It's contrasting.
In your point of view.
طب نجرب واحدة ولا no way.
I don't like it.
طب wait.
ايه؟ عشان مش ممكن يتكرر طبعا مستحيل.
الذكرى.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
طيب عندنا طب ده ممكن نلبسه من غير؟
بس ده حبيبي هنا.
لا ميسا how long is this؟
يعني
مش نفس الطول؟
بصي
she doesn't like.
طب buy color one the green and this together.
دي مش عاجباكي خالص ولا عايزة تجربيها وتشوفيها؟
لو في وقت.
دي مش بتحبي الألوان خالص؟
لا بس
you have a nice
بحب الالوان بس.
Are they ready for us to shoot? So let's not delay the shoot.
ودي عشان مجلة you want the pictures to be wow, you know what I mean?
نعم انا اهو مش عارفه والله العظيم يا امير.
في حاجة فوزي تاني ما يتركبش.